Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how you can attach your Facebook Pixel ID, TikTok Pixel ID and your Google Ads measurement ID. These are very important for your ads. This allows the algorithm to figure out the kind of users that are going to turn into a lead or a buyer for the kind of ads that you're running. So it is must that you do all these three. If you're running Google Ads, it is must that you also retarget them with Facebook Pixel ID. The reason why is because Google Ads are a bit expensive. So when you retarget them on Facebook, the chances of you getting that sale is much higher. Why you should do Google Ads then if it's expensive? Because customers are searching on Google. For example, if I want to look into a BMW M3, I'm not going to Facebook or TikTok to look into BMW M3. I'm going to be looking into Google, right? I'm going to search, for example, 2025 BMW M3. So when a customer searches, for example, 2025 BMW M3 on Google, you want to show up on top on Google, right? And once a customer clicks on your Google ad, let's say for most part customers are not going to take any actions because they're in that stage where it's quick and easy. They look at one, they look at another, they continue doing it until they see something that convinces them to submit a lead. That is why, especially cars, it's very expensive to run Google Ads because this is the territory of dealerships. But to be successful as a car salesperson, you want to do Google Ads and then retarget them on Facebook Pixel ID with your Facebook on Facebook. That way, they see your video, they see your landing page on Google. Then on Facebook, you retarget them with a video that says, "So I'm still here. Are you still looking for a car? I'll be here for you. I've got plenty of BMW M4s or M3s in stock. Just shoot me a DM." That's it, right? Google Ads they go to Facebook, they see you. First thing they see is you. So they are going to see your video on Facebook. Why? Because they saw your video over here in Google. They're going to see it back again here, right? And the chances of them now doing something is so much higher. And so that's why you must have Facebook if you're doing Google and TikTok. You want all these three. So let's go with TikTok. How do you get Pixel ID? So you want to go to your TikTok Business Center, go to assets, right, and add a pixel. I already have a pixel, so I'm going to show you how you can add a new pixel. So you add your website. For you, this is not going to be your pixel, right? Your pixel is going to be this. This is going to be your pixel. So I'm going to copy this just to show you. And you want to do manual setup, right? TikTok pixel. And you can name it TikTok leads. TikTok car sales leads. And TikTok is going to give you a code. You're not going to use the code. What you're going to use, where it says ttq.load, it says a big number, right, or big code. That is what you need to copy and paste. So what you want to do is copy this on another browser, paste it, and then just get the ttq load number, go back to here, and then paste it here, TikTok Pixel ID. And once you do that, you go next. I'm not going to do this, but okay, next, launch Event Builder. When you launch Event Builder, it's probably not going to find anything because I didn't use that pixel. Yeah, so it didn't find anything because I didn't use that pixel. But if I did, it's going to show on the top left, Event Builder. And when you see that, you want to select this, all of this on the car, this. You want to select them, and each one of them you're gonna select lead. So that's for TikTok. Now for Facebook, I already have ID. So when you create a data set on Event Manager, connect a new data. For example, this is how you create a data sets at Event Manager web. It's not going to allow me. Why? You can only create one data set. So I already have one. So here it gives you an ID, right? That ID you're going to copy and paste here. Once you do that, test events, test your website events are set up correctly. You add your website URL and make sure it all works. Once it works, there's two steps. First is connecting. Second is adding event. For adding event from the pixel, so you want to do page view, search, view content, lead, do you want to do all of that? Same thing, right? Say a lead would be if they click on this or this, that's this. So this tells Facebook and TikTok, like, okay, so that's the kind of buyers I want. You know what? Let's do that. Let me look for people who are highly likely to do leads on your website. So obviously you sell cars, so Facebook and TikTok algorithm is going to figure out what kind of people are in market in the area, in the miles that you set up for where you want to show your ads, and then TikTok and Facebook are going to show your ads to those people. Then Google is very, very highly efficient way to get leads, and not really get leads, but increase your referral system by 10 times. So what you want to do is, once you create a conversion, right, for your Google Ads is going to give you a tag. I already have a Google Ads account and I have a tag number and everything. So just to show you measure conversion, how did I get here? This is just a conversion on your website. Let's try to create a new. So basically this, if you go to edit data source, scan, I already have conversion tracking on my website, so I'm just going to show you that. So here's mine, right? So here's mine. So what I'm going to do is copy this, paste it here, and do the same thing. For leads, you want to, when you go to the event builder, all those buttons has to turn it to lead. That's what you want. So once you complete all this series, you just save it, and that's all you got to do, right? Save it and do all the event management and all three. That's all you have to do. There's no coding from your part, there's no coding from our part. Just copy and paste.